welcome to Quick Safety Tips from Frontline. A corrective and preventive action plan, known as a CAPA plan for short, helps you define a problem, identify its root cause, implement action items to stop the problem from recurring, and track the effectiveness of your actions. CAPA plans have three main elements: a detailed root cause analysis, corrective action items to address the problem immediately, and preventative action items to stop it from happening again. To make a CAPA plan, start by defining the problem. Describe the root cause of the problem in detail, making sure to paint a picture of all the variables that contributed to the outcome. Next, you should explain the specific actions you took to address the problem when it happened. Lastly, include all the actions you will take to prevent the problem from happening again. Most importantly, make sure you track your action items so you know whether they're working. If not, review your CAPA plan and make adjustments until the problem is eliminated. To learn more about corrective action software, visit our website at fldata.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.